So I'm going to show you all how to remove the turn signal switch on a 2014 Sonic. I've seen some videos online where you had to take this airbag out, and well, you don't have to. You take that screw out right there, you take that one out, that one out, and there's one down here on the very bottom right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Then you can just grab here. Hang on, I'm gonna have to set the phone down. But you just grab it and it just pops apart. See how it's popping apart? Then you just grab, there's these two little tabs right here and down there on the bottom. So you just grab a hold of them and pull it out. And then right there, you push this little part down and then pull out. And so you got your turn signal out. And the reason why I had to take mine out was I broke mine. But to put one in, just get your new turn signal switch. Make sure that you plug your wires in before you install it. You have to take it all the way back out again. Make sure you get your dust shield back in there too. But you just get it. Focus. There we go. And you just get it and push it in till it clicks. Right, make sure that you put your dust cover back in. And your steering column, I'm gonna have to have two hands for it, but you'll just pop it back together. Just pop it back together. I don't know if you can see it or not. Just get it all popped in back together. Like that. Then all your screws are the same. And so you'll just put all your screws back in the hole. And then you're done. Thank you. Bye.